Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is this fridge. This is brand wise Super General mini fridge, small fridge. This fridge not making at all. Actually, it is while giving power. At the same time it's within a few seconds it's making noise, tick noise coming from the PCB side. Sorry, it's noise coming from the compressor side, but it's not making cool. Because of that, we have to check what is the problem exactly. This one, compressor, my compressor not working. Otherwise, PTC relay overload. We have to check. Now I will show you the problem. This is the customer complaint and brought by the customer, go to the workshop, and we will go to the next step. In power, this compressor is R600A butane. It is flammable gas. Now you can hear the noise. Here you can hear the noise. This is the problem. This is the complaint. Now we have to check. Actually, it is overload. That's been protector. It is going up. Because of that, is making noise. Now we have to remove the this section, the PTC relay and overload. After that, we have to check the compressor continuity, everything, and we will check. To remove the terminal protector, terminal cover. It's coming like that. Here, this one harness lock. We can take it out here. Now I'm going to remove this overload and PTC relay. It's coming like that. You can see here. Now this one is still overload. It is very hot. Still not. I think it is restable. Now we can check continuity. Yes, it is continuity showing. Now again I will give the power connection after removing. Again I will give the power. Compressor not starting. We can check here 230 power. You can hear the noise again. The PT overload protector is already gone now. Now I will remove the power connection again. Now I can see here this one, it's already no connection here. You can see here no continuity because already it's gone. It's too much hot. Now it will be realized again, reactivate. Now see, still not showing continuity because the overload already gone. Now it will realize again. That is the noise coming. It is the customer complaint. Now still very hot. You can hear the noise. Now it is already realized. See, you can see. Now it's showing. Now we have to check the compressor terminals continuity. Now I'm select ohms. Now we can check this one according to the here. This one common up, right side motor, that's been running, starting left side. Now we will check with the common. It is showing. It is 50 ohms showing. Now I will check with the starting. You can see here continuity is showing, no any problem. Now we know now it is this one already reactivate. That's mean overload protector is okay. Now we have to check the PTC relay. This is actually PTC relay. You can hear this one power supply. This is terminal bar. Here also neutral and phase. Now already given neutral here, and it should show continuity. Now you can see here it's not showing actually continuity, should show. See, no continuity showing. That's been problem with the PTC relay. And this one after replacing this one, sometime chance to compressor on. Now I will show you. PTC relay also having two terminals. That's mean this compressor not capacitor with the capacitor starting or running, but normal compressor. Now this one we have to remove. Now I'm going to use this one, this PTC relay, as this. I can use this one. I can use this two terminal, no issue. I will remove this one. Now problem is this terminal is very small one. We are not able to fix here. Because of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this one. I am cutting and I'm fixing together one terminal clip. After that, that problem will get solved. I'm going to fix this one. Now it's okay. Now we can fix without any problem this one. Now this overload is okay, no problem. Now I have to remove this two also, because this one also I have to fix together. That one we can fix like that also, no issue. And join together, because this one already gone. We are not able to fix again. I can remove and show you also this PTC. This one already gone. This one also actually bimetal function only here. You can see here. This one already, you can see what happened to that. It is already burned actually. See, that's why it's not working. This PTC already gone. Now what I'm going to do, I will connect this one together. I will cut this. And I will connect together. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now I can, here you can see that that one already burned. It is already burned here. It is gone. That's why it's overload going always. Now I'm going to fix this one and I will check this PTC. Actually I'm having another PTC. This is you can see here, this one only one. It is starting, it should come right side, but this one starter already left side. Because of that I'm not I cannot fix this one, but I can fix this. And I will give the power connection again. Now I already fixed PTC relay. Now I will give the power connection. Now we will check it is compressor will start or not. Yes, my dear, it is compressor is okay. Compressor already start. Here discharge side is also getting hot. That means no issue with the gas. Now I should make cool. Now already my job already done. It is completed. Now I have to fix terminal cup again. After that my job will be complete. I will disconnect the power. After that I have to fix terminal cup. You can fix like that here. Also I have to fix this lock. Here its lock will come like that. Now I can fix here. I have to fix screw also. Now okay. Now again I will give the power connection. Yes, compressor is running already. Now my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.